Okay, so let's just have a look at how we go around balancing equations. I've picked a pretty tricky one in order to make sure that we demonstrate how to do this on something that's a bit hard, so that when we get an easy one, it's going to seem easy. First thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put boxes around my compounds, because remember, we cannot split compounds, and that's a really common error. So if we have this box in front of them, it's just going to make it really clear that all we can do is put numbers of moles of them. That'll make more sense in a minute. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide them into their individual compounds. So we have, individual atoms. So we've got H's on this side, we've got P's, we have got oxygens, and we've got K's. Okay, same on the other side. Now I'm not actually naming them, don't need to do any of that, you don't need to know what they are. Alright, so H, P, O, K. Right, let's work out how many of each we've got. Now this one is a bit tricky. So hydrogens, we've got H3 here, but then we've got KOH. So we've got here, we've got 3, and then here we've got 1. So there's 4 of those. Right, on the other side, we've just got H2O. So we've got 2 of those, because there are 2 molecules of that H here. The P's, all right, it's just 1 P here, and on here we've got 1 P here. So 1 more of each, 1 and a 1. The oxygens, we've got O4 here, we've got an O here, we've got O there, we've got O there. Okay, so that gives us, I'm just going to go back. So we've got O4 and we've got O, so we've got 5 of those, and then here we've got O4 and an O, so we've got 5 of those. Oh, balance, that's nice. The K's, we have got 1 K here, and then we've got 3 K's there. So 1 and 3. All right, so we can see that at the moment they aren't balanced. The reactants have different numbers to the products, so let's start balancing them. First off, let's start with H's. So we've got 2 H's in the products, we've got 4 H in the reactants. So let's just try and get the products to 4. So we can see here we've got this molecule, H2O. So we can't go in and start putting any, changing this. We can't go in and, just put 4 there. That's not what we're allowed to do. We have got a molecule of H2O. All we can do is put a number in front of it. So if I make that 2H2O, now I haven't got 2 H's anymore. I've got 2 lots of H2, which is 4 H's. Okay, but that's also going to affect the O's. So now I've got 4 O's here, and I've got 2 O's here now. So I've got 2 lots of them. So now I've got 6 oxygens. Okay, the P's are fine. We can see that the oxygens are now wrong and the K's are now wrong. Now, the oxygens look a bit weird, so I'm just going to leave the oxygens for a second. I'm going to go and start messing around with the K's. We've got K3 here, we've got K1 here. So pretty clear, I need to just put a 3 in front of that. That's going to bring me up to 3 potassiums on that side, 3 K's on that side, and I have 3 K's on that side, so that's balanced. What's that done to the oxygens? Well, it's added in just 1 more oxygen, which is perfect. So that now means that I've got 4 here and 3 here. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've now got 7 oxygens. Oh, that's not as good as I thought. That's fine. What's it done to the H's? I've got 3 H's here, 3 H's here. So there's 3 here, and now I've got 3 lots of that. So that takes me to 6 H's. Okay, right, it's all a bit of a mess again. So let's start again. So the H's are now wrong. So I need more of those H's. So H2O, that won't cut it. So let's make that 3. Let's change that to a 3, and let's see what that does to things. So we just keep going. All right, that's going to give me the 6 H's that I need. It's also now going to bring in some more oxygens. So I had 4 oxygens here. Still got 4, but now I've got 5, 6, 7 oxygens here. Ah, that's better. So there's my 7 there. And there we go. All right, that looks balanced. So we've got, let's just check it. So we've got H6. So let's have a look. Have we got H6? So 3 here and 3 here because of that. So yes, that is H6 on that side. Let's check on the other side. So we've got 3 lots of the H here. So actually that's H2. So that's where our 6 comes from. So that is fine. That's good. All right, the P1. Yeah, we've just got 1 P here. Oh, we've just got 1 P there. We've just got 1 mole of each because there's no numbers in front of them. So that row is good. Sorry, I'll take that off. So that row is good. Oxygen 7, that was the tricky one. So let's have a look. We've got 4 here. There's no mole in front of them, so that's just 4. And then we've got 3 of them here. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, that's fine. And on the other side, we have got 4 of them here, and then 3 of them here. So 3, 4, so 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, so those 2 are good. And then let's just set the K's. So we've got 3 lots of the K here, and we have got K3 here. So those K's are good. So this is balanced. Okay, so H3PO4 plus 3 moles of KOH goes to K3PO4 plus 3 moles of H2O. There we go. Bit of a rundown on how to balance. Hope that helps.